Hello everyone, and welcome back to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open any folder as a root or administrator user directly from your file manager. So this lets you edit system files without needing complex terminal commands. Now the process is straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So by default, Ubuntu protects system folders, so you can't accidentally break things. So to open them safely, we're going to install a handy extension that adds an Open as Administrator option on your right-click menu. So for doing that, first just simply open your terminal by going to the menu section over here, then Terminal. And now just simply copy and paste the command that you will find in the description box. So paste the first command here. Paste sudo apt update, then hit enter. After that, enter your password and then hit enter. Now wait for a few seconds. After that, enter the second command over here. Paste sudo apt install nautilus-admin-y. Now wait for a few seconds. Now once it is done, this will install an official plugin for the Ubuntu file manager. And once that is done, the extension is installed. So what we have to do is we need to refresh the file manager so it can load the new button. We don't need to restart the whole computer, just the file browser. So again, copy and paste the simple command in the description below. Firstly, open your terminal again and copy and paste the new command nautilus-q and then hit enter. So when you hit enter, your open file folder might close. That is perfectly normal. It just means the background process has successfully restarted. So now let's see it in action. Open your file manager, the folder icon right over here, and then navigate to any folder you want. Let's say, for example, just simply right-click on any of the folders like Documents and look at the menu. You will now notice a new option that says Open as Administrator. Click on that. Then enter your password, and after that, hit enter. And a new file window will open with a red bar or a special label indicating you have full root privileges. So that's it. You now know how to open a folder as root with this simple right-click. So I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.